all starts with a family, land and a little seed. Say a prayer that the roots grow deep, 'cause it's all grown naturally. Our home is here in the heartland, where we work and earn these calloused hands. Generations of dedication and honor. The American farmer. There's new ways of harvesting, same crops, bigger machines. Working hard is an everyday thing. That's the way it'll always be. Our home is here in the heartland, where we work and earn these calloused hands. Generations of dedication and honor. The American farmer.
Oh yeah.
Is here in the heartland, where we work and earn these calloused hands. Generations of dedication and honor. The American farmer. The American farmer.
Daddy worked hard for his dollar. He said some folks don't, but that's okay. They won't know which road to follow, because an easy street might lead you astray. I'll take the dirt road, it's all I know. I've been walking it for years. It's gone where I need to go. It ain't easy. It ain't supposed to be. So I'll take my time, and life won't pass me by, 'cause it's right there to find. On the dirt road, I have lived life in the fast lane. You gotta watch your back, it looks both ways. But when it's said and done, the time we have is borrowed. You better make real sure you hit it the right way. I'll take the dirt road, it's all I know. I've been walking it for years. It's gone where I need to go. It ain't easy. It ain't supposed to be. So I'll take my time, and life won't pass me by, 'cause it's right there to find. I'll take the dirt road, it's all I know. I've been walking it for years. It's gone where I need to go. It ain't easy. It ain't supposed to be. So I'll take my time, and life won't pass me by, 'cause it's right there to find. On the dirt road, on the dirt road.
coffee in your cup. Don't thank the corner store or that early morning rush. Thank a farmer. I still believe in amber waves of grain, man on his knees praying for rain that grew his country strong and keep us moving on. They get tougher as their lives keep getting harder. Oh, I think it's time we all thank a farmer. From the blacktop roads you ran that used to be his land, to big cities and small towns that he built with his two hands, you can thank a farmer. And for this shirt on my back and these boots on my feet, thank a farmer. Yeah, thank a farmer. I still believe in amber waves of grain, man on his knees praying for rain that grew his country strong and keep us moving on. They get tougher as their lives keep getting harder. Yeah, I think it's time we all thank the farmer. I still believe in amber waves of grain, man on his knees praying for rain that grew his country strong and keep us moving on. They get tougher as their lives keep getting harder. I think it's time we all thank a farmer. Thank a farmer. A lot of folks like me still care about the FFA and county fairs and the folks who really make this world go round. I'd like to thank a farmer.
Subdivisions creeping on in. Neighborhood kids keep jumping his fence. He could double his money, but that'd be the end of a promise he'll never break. 'Cause he looked his daddy in the eye, and he's got that stubborn pride. He'll be here to the day he dies. No, he wouldn't have it any other way. Here's to the farmer that plants the fields in the spring, that turn from green to that harvest honey. Hold one up for the banker downtown that got him on his feet with handshake money. Here's to the farmer's wife that loves him every night. Raising a son, raising a daughter, they gather around the table, send it up to the father. Somehow they get closer when times get harder. Here's to the farmer. Yeah, here's to the farmer that loves his day in the sun, won't sell that old half-ton. Nobody knows better about a hard-earned dollar. Just tell him how far he's gotta go, and he'll go farther. Here's to the farmer. Here's to the farmer. Thank you, boys.
And on the 8th day, God looked down on his planned paradise and said, I need a caretaker. So God made a farmer. God said, I need somebody willing to get up before dawn, milk cows, work all day in the fields, milk cows again, eat supper, then go to town and stay past midnight at a meeting of the school board. So God made a farmer. I need somebody with arms strong enough to wrestle a calf and yet gentle enough to deliver his own grandchild. Somebody to call hogs, tame cantankerous machinery, come home hungry, have to wait lunch until his wife's done feeding visiting ladies, then tell the ladies to be sure and come back real soon and mean it. So God made a farmer. God said, I need somebody willing to sit up all night with a newborn colt and watch it die, then dry his eyes and say, maybe next year. I need somebody who can shape an axe handle from a persimmon sprout, shoe a horse with a hunk of car tire, who can make harness out of hay, wire, feed sacks, and shoe scraps, who planting time and harvest season will finish his 40-hour week by Tuesday noon and then pain in from tractor back, put in another 72 hours. So God made a farmer. God had to have somebody willing to ride the ruts at double speed to get the hay in ahead of the rain clouds and yet stop in midfield and race to help when he sees the first smoke from a neighbor's place. So God made a farmer. God said, I need somebody strong enough to clear trees and heave bales, yet gentle enough to yean lambs and wean pigs and tend the pink-combed pullets, who will stop his mower for an hour to splint the broken leg of a meadowlark. It had to be somebody who'd plow deep and straight and not cut corners, somebody to seed, weed, feed, breed, and rake and disc and plow and plant and tie the fleece and strain the milk and replenish the self-feeder and finish a hard week's work with a 5-mile drive to church. Somebody who'd bail a family together with the soft, strong bonds of sharing, who would laugh and then sigh and then reply with smiling eyes when his son says that he wants to spend his life doing what Dad does. So God made a farmer.